Hello, my name is Clayton Freeman. Did you know that June 17th is the 168th day of the year? Many special events have happened on this day, including George Hall and his baseball stat line, the most runs scored in one inning of a baseball game, and my 6-year-old birthday party. George Hall played baseball for the A's in 1867. While playing for the A's, he was the first player to hit 2 home runs and score 5 runs in a 9-inning baseball game. On June 17th, the Red Sox scored the most runs in one inning of a baseball game. On this day in 1953, they did this by scoring 17 runs in just one inning. Also on June 17th was the day of my 6-year-old birthday party. This was one of the best birthdays I have ever had because it was full of fun and my friends and family came over to surprise me for my birthday. Birthdays have always been important to me because my friends and family make them so special. Now you may ask why I included baseball. I have played baseball my whole life, since I was 4, and have loved it ever since. My career has taken some twists and turns, such as injuries. But besides that, I have played for many different travel teams and was a part of my high school baseball team since the 7th grade. I then graduated and went to CAC in the fall, and now I am here at CV playing the sport I love and am most passionate about. So all of this makes baseball a huge part of my life and shows that it is the thing I spend most of my time on. It is my favorite thing to do and is much more than a sport to me. It has helped me grow and become the person I am today. And the fact that all of these events happen on my birthday is special to me. My birthday is a special day, and so these big events in baseball history being the same day as I was born is a reminder of the nicest thing I have ever played, and it is the game of baseball. This helps to show you why these events in baseball happening on my birthday are significant to me. Many special events have happened on June 17th throughout the years. On June 17th, George Hall set a record in a 9-inning game. The Red Sox scored the most runs in one inning in 1953, and also was the day of my 6-year-old birthday party. But I have a question for you. Did you know that after June 17th, we still have 197 days left of the year?